kayaking on the St. John River. This is my happy place. This is where I come and get away from the noise. Can just come out here, watch the birds, the manatees, even the alligators. I do need to find a way to rig up my GoPro on here to be able to take more videos. It's the first time I've been able to hold it like this though and record while kayaking, not just stopping, record, then back on. Let me get on the other side of the road. They are on both sides though. They're gonna have to go around me. Hey, have fun. Beautiful day to be on the river. So this is just a little alcove that I come to. It's right off the river. It's just down from Blue Springs State Park. Beautiful state park in Central Florida. Beautiful. The manatees come and swarm in the springs because it stays, I believe, I want to say, it stays 72 degrees in the spring all year round. So, for the cold weather, for them, they hit all these springs. The river is so full. Record a little bit more of this, and then I'll record a little bit more of when I go to the spring. At least record until we get around the corner. A lot of times you might see birds. Not seeing the signs of the manatees hanging out today. The water might be cold for them. They might just be hanging out in the spring. There's something under the water over here. I see air bubbles coming up in a line. Just peaceful. Went fishing out here. I've caught catfish, panfish, and crappie. Yeah. normal resident gators that I normally see. I'm not seeing today either. You can tell it's fall in Florida. These trees have changed. If I turn, if you can see the bird on the top right there. The ivy tree. Yep. Hi, bird. I'm just gonna go right past you. Coming out of the little cove now into the main stem of the St. Johns River. Something about the sound of an oar going through the water. I love it. This is DeLand, Orange City area. I think I'm gonna have to go put on some sunscreen. I forgot my rash guard today. Glad I didn't go over there. When the water's high, you have to be careful because some things that you used to be able to see and navigate over are just going to be right up underneath the surface. While these kayaks are built really well, it's still an inflatable. So I have to keep that in mind. And this, we're about to see what happens. This is a no wake zone and this boat is flying down here. So I might have to readjust myself here in just a minute. Which is highly dangerous. You're not even supposed to go fast through here. For boaters, for manatees, for people. There's a reason. I know how to conduct my boat. Some people who don't, that could have messed them up extremely bad. If you want to apologize, I didn't see you there. Well, you didn't need to see me here. This is a no-wake zone. You're supposed to be an idle speed. Sorry, I don't normally get any kind of way. That I have a problem with, because people like that hurt other boaters, people like that kill these manatees that are endangered, and that's why they're protected. That bird that you just seen on the screen is a vulture. It's circling for something. Let's see if I can get it again. It's a vulture circling for something. Ooh! Good catch. Shoot. The vultures nest all through here at night. Paddling upstream. It'll be nice after I stop at where I'm stopped at right here at the boat launch. Grab a few things. The river's flowing today. Normally the current isn't very strong at all. It's almost like a lake half the time. The current is flowing today. Funny to see flowers in that bush, tree, vine, whatever it is, while everything else is dying out. Alright, well, getting closer to the boat launch, and there's music playing like it always is. And don't need to copyright anything. I don't own the rights to this music. I'll say that now. I'll try to remember it when I post it too, or take it out. Something just came up over there. It's kind of big. It might have been a tarpon. Huh? I don't know. Oh, they're throwing stuff. Never mind. see what's going on while I've been gone.